So hi guys, here we go again and again and again. Got another bit of kit for you here. Really special little mini hatch here. Nice John Cooper Works hatchback, automatic, and what a car this is. This has got a lot of extras on it. Look at that. So we've got a 2023 plate. She's only done 12,500. She's only travelled 12,500 miles. Just a stunning car, massive spec, premium plus pack, pan roof, one owner. Need I say more? Probably about £8,000 worth of extras on this. So as you can see, with your red calipers, finished in that lovely midnight black metallic. 17-inch wheels. Look at that. Look how that stands. They just sit so lovely. Just a lovely car. I mean, I remember having one of these back in, oh God, my first one was 2003. So I had the Mini 1 with a salt pack, and that was like riding on rails. It was absolutely best fun I've ever had in a car, and I've driven a lot of cars, and they're just so much fun of these. But look at that. I mean, paintwork's lovely. Ceramic coat wouldn't go amiss, but obviously we can talk about that. Got things like, obviously we've got dash cams available, trackers, finance at the moment, really good rates at 9.9% on your APR. Just go. Guys are just bringing in another car just to detail. I believe that one's having a ceramic coat there. You can see at the back, which is your Aston Martin DBX 707, that one. Beautiful car. Anyway, back to the Mini. So as you can see, sporting the lovely red accents on the front with your bonnet vent. Just a nice car. Just a nice car. It's got keyless entry on it, head-up display, pan roof, leather. Look at that. Such a nice place. Got your Harman Kardon sound system. As you can see, back seats are like new. Seats are all lovely. So let's get in and start it up. 2 keys comes with this one. So we've got just under 12,500 miles. All touch screen, and also on here. Service check. So as you can see, last done in March last year, so not due for about another year. It's got your heated seats, obviously your air con, all lovely climate control, navigation map, rear camera. Like I said to you, it's got the Harman Kardon, you can just see there. What a lovely car. Just a nice car. There's your roof. Nice and opening. There you go, guys. Again, like I said to you, a couple of extras like your ceramic. Good finance rates, part exchanges available. And there you go. What a stunning car. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I know that won't last long, so pick up the phone, give us a call. Cheers, bye.